Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have our Fast 5 workout, which is going to be 4 exercises, 30 seconds, 1 minute break, and then again repeating the same 4 exercises again for a second round. All right, so today's Fast 5 workout is number 1, it's going to be in and outs, 2, tuck jumps, 3, leg raises, and 4, side plank. Our exercise number 1 is going to be in and out. So you're going to put your feet together and you're going to go in, out. So open and close, open and close. All right, so those are what I call in and outs. Number 2, tuck jumps. What you're going to do is put your feet kind of about shoulder width apart, and what you're going to do is you're going to jump up and try to get your knees to your chest. Looks like that, okay? So you're bringing your, kind of like a cannonball. 3, we got leg raises. So what you're going to do is get on your bottoms, on your backs, and what you're going to do is lift your legs up 6 inches and down, up and down. And exercise number 4 is going to be our side planks. So what you're going to do is get into a plank position and then hold yourself up on one side. See how my feet are together? I'm on my forearm, not my elbow, and I'm just going to hold that. You can do that for 15 seconds on your left, 15 seconds on your right, or what you can do is 30 seconds one for the first round and 30 seconds on the other arm for the second round. So stay tuned and we'll do this workout in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go in and out. In, out, in, out. 30 seconds. Just do your best. Yeah, 10 more seconds. All right, moving on to tuck jumps. Time. Leg raises on your backs. Let's go. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go up and down. Hold it for 3 seconds. Down. More seconds. All right, side planks. I'm gonna go 15 on each side. Yeah, most important thing is making sure you're not using your elbow, but you're on your forearm. All right, switch sides. Woo! It's a good first round. All right, we got that 1 minute water break. Remember, round 2, we're gonna go through the same 4 exercises. We'll go from the top. 1, in and outs, 2, tuck jumps, 3, leg raises, and 4, we got our side planks. I really hope you guys are enjoying this Fast 5 series. This is now Fast 5 number 5. If you have not watched 1, 2, 3, or 4, make sure you do that. 10 seconds left. Then we're moving on to round 2. All right, let's go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. In, out. This round, I want you to push yourself a little bit harder. Everything you guys got. Again, this Fast 5 only takes 5 minutes, but you will get a great workout. 5 seconds left. All right, let's get to those tuck jumps. Don't hold anything back. Everything you got. Time, leg raises. On your backs. And go. All right, let's go. Side planks, side planks. Again, if you did 30 seconds on one side, first round you do the second opposite side. Again, I did 15 on each. So I'm gonna switch. 15 left for the finisher. And time. Awesome job, you guys did it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout. Again, 4 exercises, 30 seconds, 1 minute water break, and repeat the same 4 exercises again for 30 seconds each, coming out to a total of 5 minutes. If you have not already seen Fast 5 1, 2, 3, or 4, make sure you do that now. I'll go ahead and put that playlist right here in the corner, so make sure you guys check it out. And as always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.